Okay, could you repeat that, please?
I'm saying, I'm trying to find out, have you received a notification letter in your mail in the past few days in regards to a prize that you won with the Publishers Clearinghouse?
How do you want me to receive that?
No, I'm asking you if you have received it in your mail in the past few days that you informed in regards of your delivery.
No, not just yet.
Oh my word. And when was the last time you recall? Checked in your mail?
I haven't checked my mail in 5 days.
Pardon?
I haven't checked my mail in 5 days.
Oh my word, because what happened, we were expecting a call back from you. That is the reason I'm calling you, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So what will be taking place? Is this the first time you're receiving a call in pertaining to the cause that you want?
Yes.
Okay, because what happened? You see here in which your number, which I'm speaking with you on right now, has been gained an entry in our cell phone promotional raffle in which we entered 2,055 persons by their cell phone numbers who take care of their finances on time monthly, okay?
Okay.
All right. We enter a person in the raffle who always own your cell phone number over 3 years, paying their utility bill in time, shopping at the Walmart, Kmart, spending over $20 using your credit or debit card, and also for purchasing lottery tickets or filling out a coupon, alright?
Okay, where are you calling from, sir?
Well, I'm calling you straight out of the UPS, alright?
Out of the UPS?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I thought this was a Jamaican number.
This number that we use is the roaming delivery number that we carry with us whenever we're leaving out on the road to make deliveries, because it's a satellite roaming number. It's the most easier and most cheaper network to get a hold of the recipient, so we can have quick response, okay?
Okay, how about this? What make you not go look a rotted job and not stop call people for scam people? Woo! He hung up fast! You realize the